Dude bro chong, wala kayo sa kape ko. It has Starbucks espresso, Starbucks ice, and comes with a free Starbucks tumbler. Wala kayo sa kape ko. It's 200 pesos. It's specialty. It has caramel, it has 2 espresso shots, and unlimited refill. Wala palang kwenta yung mga kape nyo eh. Ang labnaw. Puro tubig. Eh bakit? Ano ba laman ng kape mo? Savings worth 1 million pesos. Hi, this is Nicole.
And I am Prax, helping you free up time and space to live a more productive life.
In this video, we will teach you how to make the 20 pesos iced coffee.
And how to become a millionaire by liking this video.
Yan, talagang sure ball. Pagka-like mo ng video na to, mabibigyan ka ng unli refill ng ice sa Starbucks.
Dagdag mo pa yung only water refill. Just tell them the promo code.
Nilike ko na, Nicole and Prax. Marami sa mga young professionals ang nagsa-start ng kanilang araw with an iced coffee.
Pipili ka lang between Starbucks, Coffee Bean ba, Dunkin', 7-Eleven, depende kung anong trip mo for the day. A cost that many of us are willing to trade off makukuha lang ng extra boost of energy sa umaga.
Malaking part siya ng day ko kasi coffee was my fuel. It jumpstarts my productivity. Kung hindi ako iinom ng kape, siguro kas na ako ng Walking Dead o Kingdom.
Then, we realize na parang sobrang laki ng ginagastos namin sa isang buwan para lang sa kape. That's when we started rethinking our coffee habits.
Ever since binago namin yung coffee spending habits and shifted to this iced coffee, na-realize namin na First blood! Mas masarap pala kung ikaw yung nag-brew ng kape kasi huling-huli mo yung timpla mo. Second, kailangan mo pang lumabas, maglakad, mag-drive, o mag-commute makabili lang ng kape. And third, Teka, ang lapit makikita yung course. And third, what is this commercial 140 pesos coffee na lasang uling? What? What the
Hey guys! Welcome to our cafe! Opa Cafe!
So, ito yung mga kailangan nyo. Siyempre, coffee beans. Kasi nga, iced coffee, di ba? So, itong binibili namin is Jerry's Beans. Freshly roasted beans. And sobrang sarap. Ang tamis-tamis. It's from Colombia. Decaf na sugarcane process. Mga beans ni Mang Jerry may capping score na above 84%. And it's the most tasty.
Uy, walang sugar yan ha! Baka akalain nila may sugar yan dahil sinabi mo matamis at sugarcane.
Ba't ka galit? Binili namin sa Shopee 500 grams for 750 pesos. Pero meron naman din silang 425 pesos para sa 200 grams lang. If you want to check their fresh coffee beans, link is in the description box below. Meron din kaming binibili Blue Conlins na decaf. Masarap din. Tapos, weigh natin yung beans. Maglagay ng 11 grams sa baso. Uulitin ko, 11 grams. Dapat walang point ha. Alam nyo, maraming hindi naniniwala sa pagsusukat eh. Pwede na raw takal-takal method, pero ako, talagang kailangan sukatin yan dahil precision is key in making good coffee. At saka isipin nyo, kung masyado ring marami yung nalagay nyo, eh di nagtapon na kayo ng pera.
What's our motto?
Make every peso count. Next, ilagay sa grinder. Grind consistency parang asukal. Ayun, nagets nyo? Kung talagang certified coffee lover ka tulad ko, invest in a good coffee grinder. Ang ginagamit ko is Breville Smart Grinder Pro. May nagsabi sa akin, bumili ka na lang ng ground coffee. Aba, syempre, sabi ko, No! 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 Kasi as soon as mag-grind ng coffee, gradually nawawala yung aroma at lasa. O, ba't nagkape ka pa? In a matter of 30 minutes,
mawawala na yung bango at lasa niya.
Sad, no?
Excuse me? Skip the coffee nerd talk. Kung akong tatanungin nyo, bumili na lang kayo ng ground beans. Meron namang option na si Mang Jerry na lang ang mag-grind para sa'yo and skip this step. Kamahal kaya ng grinder niya? And hello, di naman lahat katulad niya na may oras.
Ito, nag-grind na yung coffee. Ilalagay na natin sa Aeropress. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng boiling water, 140 grams. Walang labis, walang kulang. And then after, wait for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes, then we stir with a spoon. Gumagawa tayo ng coffee concentrate. Baka magtaka kayo, bakit ang daming yelo nito? And voila! Your very own 20 pesos iced coffee. And most importantly, saving the 1 million pesos.
Magsipilo ka ha! Dilaw na ipin mo!
Ngayon, ipapakita na namin yung secret kung paano ka magiging milyonaryo with this 20 peso iced coffee. Let's break it down, yo!
Nasaan yung notebook?
So, yung 500 grams of coffee beans cost 750 pesos. And since 11 grams ang nasa isang cup, we can make about 45 cups with the 500 grams. So that would be 750 pesos for 45 cups. Magkano yun per cup?
That would be 16.7 pesos. Now, baka magtatanong kayo.
Nicole, sabi mo 20 pesos, ba't naging 16.7? May 3.3 pesos na ko. Liar ka. Dislike, unsubscribe na ako.
Guys, chill! Siyempre, yung 3.3 pesos, i-account mo na yung kuryente sa pag-init ng tubig, sa pag-grind ng kape. Saka siyempre, favorite number ko yung 20. Mansa rin namin ni Prax yun nung college.
20 ko.
Ngayon, ito na yung highlight. Do you want to be a millionaire? Let's say, itong 20 pesos iced coffee is saving you around 120 pesos every single day na umiinom ka ng kape. Tapos, invest nyo yung 120 pesos na yan every day. In 15 years with 7% annual interest, meron na kayong 1 million pesos. And in 30 years, 3.8 million pesos. In 45 years, 11.5 million pesos.
So this is how the 20 pesos iced coffee can make you a millionaire.
Our GCash account is linked down below. Mga gustong magbigay ng balato sa kanilang milyones, we are open to receiving cash.
Nakamura ka na sa kape, masarap pa, tapos after watching this video, naging milyonaryo ka pa.
Thank you guys for watching!
Make every second count.